Write a short note on accounting standards under the Companies Act 2013. Accounting standards are a set of principles, rules, and guidelines that govern the preparation and presentation of financial statements of companies. They ensure uniformity, transparency, consistency, and reliability in accounting practices. According to Section 2.2 of the Companies Act 2013, accounting standards means the standards of accounting or any addendum thereto applicable to companies or classes of companies referred to in Section 133 of the Companies Act 2013. Section 133 of the Companies Act 2013 empowers the central government to prescribe accounting standards for companies. These standards are prescribed on the recommendation of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority. After examining the recommendations made by the NFRA, thus, accounting standards are framed through a coordinated process involving professional accounting bodies and regulatory authorities. Objectives of accounting standards. The main objective of accounting standards are to ensure uniformity in accounting practices, to present a true and fair view of financial statements, to improve transparency and comparability of financial information, to protect the interests of shareholders, investors, creditors, and other stakeholders, to reduce ambiguity and manipulation in financial reporting. Importance of accounting standards. Accounting standards help maintain consistency in financial statements, enhance the credibility of company accounts, facilitates decision making by investors and creditors, improve corporate governance and accountability, ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Illustration: when a company prepares its balance sheet, profit and loss account, and cash flow statement, it must follow the prescribed accounting standards so that financial information is presented in a uniform and reliable manner. Conclusion: thus, accounting standards under Section 2.2 and Section 133 of the Companies Act 2013 are the prescribed accounting principles and guidelines that companies must follow while preparing financial statements to ensure transparency, consistency, and a true and fair representation of financial information.